Hey there. I really like you as a person and not as a friend. I love you. I want you to notice me for who I am. So please, let me in to your house.